So today I'm going to try to preserve my peppers that I grew on my pepper plant that I had actually brought indoors a couple of months ago. This is my first time actually trying to preserve, well, actually my second time. But I'm excited to see how everything turned out, and I'm just going to refrigerate these. I'm not going to shelf life these. And this one is interesting looking, but I'm going to put it in my brine as well. I already have cleaned and sterilized my jar, and now I'm just going to cut these peppers and pickle them up. Any seeds that I have left sitting on this cutting board, I'm gonna go ahead and save them. But pepper looks really good and fresh and juicy. This one actually been sitting on a plant for some time now. So I'm gonna cut all of these up and put these in the jar. They're so pretty, especially these red ones. They started turning red about a week ago. Just 2 of them. So pretty. I also have some garlic here. I'm going to actually put inside of the jar, and I'll let this sit and cool off for a little bit. I'm going to put all of these in here. I'm going to have plenty of space. I don't have that many peppers, and this is a pint-sized jar. But it might fill it up pretty good. It might just be just the right amount of size. I have a few seeds that I can package up. These are my jalapeno peppers that I grew. I didn't start these from seed, but oh, perfect. Let's go ahead and put these. I think I got about maybe 5 cloves here. Go ahead and put those in there with them. This is pretty cool to do. Learning some good tricks. Never know when you'll need to use this process, especially what's going on in the world. It's a lot going on, y'all. Start learning how to do some of this stuff. It will definitely come in handy. I have a lot of brine left in here, so I'm gonna actually take this and put it in a jar and use it for future pickling. I sterilized this jar in a pot of boiling water for 10 minutes, and I just poured the water out of here into a bowl on top of the lid and the ring. I'm not gonna put it back in the water and seal it because I'm just going to refrigerate this. So I'll let this sit for about a week, and then maybe I'll try it with some greens or something. But yeah, my first can of peppers, pickled peppers, and like I said, I also have garlic in here as well.